So you may have heard about the ChatGPT's advanced new voice feature, where you can utilize it to help you with your writing, research, as well as problem-solving tasks. Now, with the advanced voice feature, you can take it up a level and you can interact with it using your own voice to help you prepare and practice for your next interview. So here I've just got ChatGPT on my phone. Now to activate that, click on the icon here. You will get a prompt to confirm whether or not you allow ChatGPT to record your audio. So I'm just going to select this time only.
G'day. What's on your mind today?
Hi, I've applied for a role as a forklift driver. I've received a call to say that I've got an interview tomorrow. I'm feeling a bit nervous.
It's perfectly normal to feel a bit nervous before an interview. Take a deep breath and remember that they've called you in because they think you could be a good fit for the role. To prepare, you might want to review some key points about forklift operation and safety procedures, and think about examples from your past experience that show your skills and reliability. You've got this.
Great. Can you give me 3 examples of some of the questions that might be asked?
Absolutely. Here are 3 examples. First, can you describe your experience with operating forklifts and any certifications you hold? Second, how do you ensure safety while operating a forklift, especially in a busy warehouse environment? Third, can you give an example of a time you faced a challenge while operating a forklift and how you handled it? Preparing answers to questions like these can help you feel more confident. Good luck.
Great. So I'm sure there's going to be a question there about teamwork. So can you ask me a question relating to teamwork? And then when I respond, can you provide me some feedback on how I might do better? How I might answer the question better?
Sure thing. Here's a teamwork related question. Can you tell us about a time when you worked closely with a team to complete a task or project? What was your role and how did you contribute to the team's success? Go ahead and give it a try.
Okay, that's a tough question. Okay, I'm just going to give it a try. So yesterday we received advice that one of our truck was running late. So upon advice, I just made sure that the team had all the freight ready to go. I also coordinated that with a few team members, and I spoke to my team leader to make sure that all the pallets were staged in the outbound area. And from there, when the truck arrived, I made sure that all the all the freight was loaded onto the truck.
That's a solid response. Here's some feedback to refine it a bit. You demonstrated initiative and leadership, which is great. To strengthen your answer, you could also mention the importance of communication and collaboration in ensuring the task was completed smoothly. Maybe highlight how your actions contributed to the team's efficiency or how you supported your teammates during the process. Overall, you're on the right track.
Sounds like I'm a bit rusty, to be completely honest.
It's completely normal to feel that way, especially if you haven't interviewed in a while. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Just keep focusing on your experiences and how they relate to the job you're applying for, and you'll do great. Plus, being a bit nervous just shows you care about the opportunity.
Great. Can you ask me a question relating to safety?
Of course, here's a safety related question. Safety is crucial in our operations. Can you share an example of a time when you identified a potential safety hazard in the workplace? How did you handle it, and what steps did you take to ensure the safety of yourself and others? Give it a go.
Okay, so I'm not going to give it a go, but as you can see, you can use the AI to help you prepare for your interview questions. And it sounds like I'm a little bit rusty, so I definitely need more practice. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more tailored to the role that you're applying for, you can have a look at the job ad to find out some of the questions that might be asked. So in this example, I've just got a job ad on Seek. And if we scroll down, you can see here there's a question relating to correct movement and distribution of freight in a timely manner. So let's ask the AI to ask me a question relating to this requirement. Okay, so I'm having a look at the job ad and I can see there's a question relating to ensuring correct movement and distribution of freight in a timely manner. Can you ask me a job interview question that might come up tomorrow?
Certainly. Here's a question based on that part of the job ad. How do you prioritize tasks when handling multiple shipments to ensure timely movement and distribution of freight? Can you provide an example of how you've managed this in the past? Go ahead and give it your best shot.
And as you can see, you can use the information on the job ad to ask ChatGPT to ask you questions relating to that role to help you prepare for your interview. Now, this is one of the best interview hacks ever. Now, if you enjoyed this video or you found it useful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.